Yes, I am a mermaid, and no, I'm not crazy. If you wanna see some really cool tricks, then you should follow me. I hold my breath for ages, and no, I don't have gills. And I don't care if you think it's weird, 'cause you don't pay my bills. Yes, I am a mermaid, and no, I'm not crazy. If you wanna see some really cool tricks, then you should follow me. I hold my breath for ages, and no, I don't have gills. And I don't care if you think it's weird, 'cause you don't pay my bills.
I get overwhelmed so easily. My anxiety creeps inside of me, makes it hard to breathe. Words come over me, feels like I'm somebody else. I get overwhelmed so easily.
May it be an evening star shines down upon you. May it be when darkness falls, your heart will be true.
Raphael, you want to give hands with her? Yeah, give her your hand.
You do.
Ayo, collector check. Show the most expensive item in your collection, the least expensive item in your collection, the item everyone wants to steal when they see your collection, the item that's least likely to be had by any other collector, your first item in your collection, the newest item in your collection, the strangest item in your collection.
Funny things kids have said to the mermaid part, I don't even know. Hey mermaid, I have an infection, and that's why I can't get the water in my ears. So this has happened multiple times now. There's a fence, like a big net fence, around my enclosure to keep the kids out of the water with me. And kids that are like 1 or 2, they grab the net, they try to climb in there with me, and when the parents tell them they can't, they cry. So there's a kid, he's like 1, super cute, he's staring at me, he's got this pacifier in his mouth, and I flip my tail, and he just goes, the pacifier just falls right out of his mouth.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. Let's start with the hook. Well, that was easy. Psych, there's way more than that. That was nice. I literally glued these things on with tape. Yeah. I literally drew them on blue paper as well. Snatch the weave! I am in love with these lashes, but they gotta go. Boop. Take the contacts out too. And now I'm gonna go wash my face. And that is all. Have an amazing day, you guys.
She's on her cell phone. No, come here. Stay there. Just wait.
You are telling me you have never seen a mermaid before? Let's fix that. Welcome to Mermaid TikTok.
A dream is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep. Come with me and you'll be in this world. We're all alone. You know
I get overwhelmed so easily. My
heart is pierced by Cupid.
Hi, I'm your biggest fan. I follow you until you love me.
Me like you do. I'd love to save me from your point of view. My heart is pierced by Cupid. I disdain all glittering gold. There is nothing can console me but my jolly sailor bold. Where are you now? Atlantis, under the sea, under the sea.
Wow.
Hashtag so awkward is trending right now. So this is a good time to show you that being a mermaid is not as easy as it looks. The tails can be very heavy and they can be very hard to get on. It's kind of a struggle sometimes. You also don't always get the perfect video. So here are some bloopers from me trying to make TikToks. And if you would like me to make a vlog on my YouTube channel capturing my crazy mermaid life, comment down below because I'm really considering doing that. Funny stuff the kids say when I perform as a mermaid, part 13. Funny stuff the kids say to me when I perform as a mermaid, part, oh man, there's lipstick everywhere.
Oh my god.
Answering your most something. Do you want a lollipop?
I've been avoiding making this video because I hate talking about money, but you guys asked, so let's do it. Fabric tails like this and like this cost $365, but you do need a monofin, which costs around like $150, so it ends up being like $505. This one is a silicone and fabric-based tail, so it's a hybrid. This would start at $1,500 if you got the regular one, but because I got the upgraded fin and all the extra additional fins, it ended up being around $3,000. Price range for a custom silicone tail is around $4,000 to $6,000 is what you would expect to pay, especially if you add special fins and a custom paint job. Is it expensive? Yes, but being a mermaid is a luxury, not a necessity. It comes from a small group of artists and quality doesn't come cheap.
You ready to become a mermaid?
I'm scared. I'm actually really scared.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Set?
Wait, I didn't turn into a mermaid yet. How long does it take?
It takes 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. I'm actually really scared.
oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 oh no, oh no, oh no, no, no,
The sea ain't a bitch bad as me, girl. And then he was like, I'm a merman. No, you're a mer bitch.
Upper body strength. Lift your tail. Oh crap, don't hit your face. Smile. Swimmy, swimmy. Hair and face. Bubbles. Need air soon. Crap, that's the lid. Ouch, my head hurts now.
Sorry, secret siren, but I'm blocking out your calls. I've had my adventure. I don't need something new. I'm afraid of what I'm risking if I follow you into the unknown. Swept away, I'm stolen. Let the sky fall when it crumbles.
There's no that baby